For operations looking to balance product protection and sustainability, the Sealed Air brand Instapak SpeedyPacker delivers precise protection in a smaller footprint. Designed to deliver on-demand foam for your high-volume operations, the Instapak SpeedyPacker is a versatile solution for quick and cost-effective product protection. With an industrial-grade touchscreen display, the SpeedyPacker gives you full control. Simply select the optimum bag size and foam fill amount to get the most efficient use of materials every time. Our expanded foam cushions offer a custom fit for each item, delivering the perfect amount of foam for superior protection and damage reduction during transit. With nearly limitless cushion combination options, including the innovative continuous foam tubes, you can create a truly customized pack. Maximize packaging efficiency and productivity using SpeedyPacker's bag recipes, sequencing, and CFT's capabilities, all at a simple touch of a button. With the Instapak SpeedyPacker, you'll enjoy cost-effective, superior product protection, customizable cushioning options, and effortless operation. To learn more, contact your C representative or visit our website today.